The video is about removing the browser hijacker called Flashcleaner.xyz. Flashcleaner.xyz is a special extension. The website that promotes this extension is Flashcleaner.xyz. This extension actually operates, as I said, as a browser hijacker. It changes the default search engine. So when you submit some search queries, you would get the results by some other fake search engines not chosen by you. The results delivered by this Flashcleaner.xyz are not really relevant, so we recommend you to remove it immediately. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions, disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Now, to be convinced that the system is free of other threats that could possibly remain, we recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.